Bilis mo. May ano ba yun?
It's very good, but I'm gonna move it because I spent my last on those batteries and wires. Janaya, you have to put your hand up.
Ganda. 10 over 10. Perfect.
Bakit strong?
Hindi ko rin alam. Bakit?
Why? Because it represents the marine character.
Last straw.
Breaking point.
Reputable lahat, di ba?
Ano? Cabbage. Rice.
So, kakarating ko lang. And, I got the parcel. So, I bought, a microphone and tripod as well. Ayan, it's a microphone. Tripod. Kasi medyo nahihirapan ako and then, the main mic. Tapos, I don't know kung anong tawag dito. Pero it's that thing you put here sa mic. And, eto siya. Ang pinili ko is for the iOS. Pero it's not the Type-C since hindi pa naman Type-C. Oh, ito. Kabilaan siya. Then, a charger for it. Ayun lang, basically ang naman niya. So, let's do an audio check.
Okay, hello. Hi. Mic test, mic test. Ah! Oh my gosh. Feeling ko, hindi na puro montage yung nasa vlog ko. Mag-start na tayo mag-talk. Anyway, 10 over 10. Goods yung nabili ko. 10 over 10.
Masyado na ako natuwa sa mic. Now, let's move on dito sa may selfie stick sa tripod. Okay. So, it comes with a manual. And this. Wow! What I like about this thing is that meron siya nung connector. So, if I'm alone and parang I want to take a selfie, I have that connector. I don't know what it's called, pero yeah, I have that kind of thingy. And it's this one. Ito. So, kapag magpipicture ako, tapos I'm alone, I just have to press this button. Ayan. It's quite big though. I mean, pero carry naman siya. I think I'm just gonna buy a small one. Pero ito, perfect to when I'm at home and I need to film or something. Kasi honestly, mahirap mag-film nang wala kang papatungan. Sometimes hindi rin pantay ang angle and all. And I think I need to figure this out kasi medyo complicated siya for me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ang haba niya. Oh my gosh, look. Ang haba niya. Okay, now, paano siya gagawin? Then, how do I flip the phone? We'll figure this out later. Pero yeah, that's it. Ayun lang na binalik ko. Oh, by the way, a total of 900 plus something. Both the microphone and this one. Not bad. Pwede na. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so hello everyone. Today is June 23 and it's 4:36 p.m. and I woke up late today. Anyway, bakasyon naman. So, it's rainy outside, so wala tayong plans. So, it's just me and my book today. By the way, I am reading a book by Emily Henry and it's called A Happy Place. Okay, so medyo patapos na ako. Look. Ayan, so I will be writing my thoughts yan sa aking IG, Notions of Mara, once I finish this book. Actually, matagal ko na itong nabiling book na to. However, since finals nga and sobrang daming ganap, wala akong time to read this book. So, now na bakasyon, I'm gonna read it. So, it's just me and my book today. To tell you guys, I am a non-fiction girly talaga. So, medyo hindi ako mahilig sa mga fiction. So, ito ang mag-determine kung I would buy another fiction book or no. Sabi niya dito, Harriet, if it was possible to stop loving you, I would have managed it in the first year of desperately trying to. I'm here for good.
Alright, so good morning everyone. It's Tuesday today and I think it's 10 a.m. na. Low tayo sa energy today, but I need to get myself moving kasi wala lang. Feeling ko enough naman na yung rest ko. I don't know. Let's just make this day productive. Pero to tell you honestly, I've been feeling off talaga kagabi pa. And ayoko naman na maapektuhan yung araw ko. Although I'm not acknowledging my emotions, but I also don't want to waste this day. So, gagalaw tayo, no matter what. So, pupunta ako ng gym today. Okay, so yung usual na dinadala ko lang sa gym is una, water, and then next, wallet. Kasi, nandito yung gym pass ko and my ID, and headphones. Literally, yun lang yung dala ko every time na pupunta ako sa gym. Okay, hello. I'm back sa condo and tapos na ako mag-workout. And honestly, 1 hour lang ako doon. But it was a good workout naman. For me, it was a good workout. And nagsabay na rin ako ng food ko. Since lunchtime na rin. Bumili ako ng lutong ulam. Sinigang. So, ayan yung food ko now. Lunchtime na rin if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. 11:19 na. So, I'm going to eat my lunch. Okay. So, life update lang habang nag-ano ako ng food ko. By August, matatapos na yung contract ko here. So, nakahanap na rin naman ako ng bagong condo. Nalilipatan ko. And that will be another vlog kung saan makikita niya yung pag-move in ko na naman ulit sa bagong unit this time. And kasama ko na nga si Iris yung sa condo na lilipatan ko. So, dalawa na kami. This time, kilala ko na yung kasama ko sa condo. So, by July, expect na magiging busy ako talaga sa paglilipat, pag-asikaso ng papers and all. But, I'm gonna try to vlog talaga. Para, ma-document ko yung process ko sa pag-move in. As you can see, hindi ako makahugas ng walang pinapanon. Sa lahat ng chores sa bahay, paghuhugas ng pinggan yung pinaka-fave ko. Okay, so I'm done washing the dishes. And I'm thinking na maglinis ng condo. Kasi wala naman akong gagawin and I just find cleaning therapeutic talaga. So that's what we're gonna do today. So this is your sign. Maglinis na rin kayo. Okay, so I'm done cleaning the condo and I think mag-shower na ako. Ang init kasi. And after this, I think I'm just gonna read my book probably. Kapag linis naman ako, nakapag-gym na ako, and I think deserve ko nang magstay na lang sa isang place and to read my book. Kasi, girl, ang tagal na ng book ko, hindi ko pa rin siya tapos. So, goal ko na ma-finish ko na siya today. So, yeah. Okay, so hi. Good morning. Today is Sunday and it's currently 11:03 a.m. and I woke up around 7 a.m. ata. Tapos I ate my breakfast, tapos went to the gym. Then after that, I just did my laundry. Tapos may inasikaso lang ako. Kasi may errand kasi ako later. And hindi ko pa siya sasabihin kasi honestly, gusto ko talaga itong matuloy and ayokong bang hinaan ako ng loob along the way. So, i-disclose ko na siya kapag done na lahat. And so yeah, so right now, mag-prepare lang ako kasi pupunta ako ng SM today because may asikasuhin ako. Then after this, pupunta ako ng Green Hills kasi may asikasuhin din ako doon. And pagbalik ko here, magsisimba ako. Kasi it's Sunday. So yeah, let's get ready. So I'm halfway done sa pag-dry ng hair ko. And I just want to share this one product that I am currently using na I think naka-help talaga sa pag-smoothen out ng hair ko. I'm currently using this one. It's the Bremont Hair Mask. So, ginagamit ko siya after ko maligo. Ito-dry ko yung hair ko for about 40 to 60%. And then, I will apply it sa end, anywhere, and also, minamassage ko siya around my scalp. And after that, papatuyin ko lang ng very, very slight heat upon applying. And that's it. And after that, sobrang smooth ng hair ko. And honestly, it's only been weeks na ginagamit ko siya. And today, sobrang laki ng pagbabago ng hair ko. I bought this sa Watson's kasi. So, yeah. I don't know how much, pero I know it's affordable. Yeah. Okay, so kakarating ko lang sa condo and I didn't get to vlog kanina kasi super bilis lang talaga ng pagpunta ko sa SM Manila. Nag-inquire lang ako and then bumili ako ng lumpiang toge kasi nag-crave ako. And bumili ako ng lutong ulam dito lang sa baba. Guess what? Kung ano yung ulam na nabili ko. Dinuguan. And you know what? Sobrang love ko ang dinuguan. As in. So, let's see. Sana masarap din yung pagkakaluto. So, I think it's currently 12:36 na and magla-lunch na ako before ako pumunta sa next na errand ko for today. So, anyway, let's eat our lunch para makapaggayak na rin tayo for our errand later.